Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open settings, search do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb. Here you will see do not disturb. And if you want to turn off do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on notification. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messenger, click on messenger, click on notification. Here you will see allow notification. And if you want to turn on allow notification, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow notification will be turned on from your phone. Now go back. After that, update messenger. Open Play Store, search messenger, click on messenger. Again, click on messenger. Here you will see install or update option. And if you want to update messenger, then click on update. After click on update, your messenger will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messenger cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messenger, click on messenger, scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache messenger, clear cache from your phone. This is how you can fix messenger notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.